لم يكن ينبغي لهم أن يفعلوا ذلك. نحن قادمون إليكم يا الولايات المتحدة.
Ils ont fait une grosse erreur. Une grosse erreur. Nous venons pour vous, États-Unis.
Buy your Florida dream home today in the following locations: Vero Beach, Port St. Lucie, St. Lucie.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions shall follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcasts in the country will translate this message no matter where you are. We are currently serving the Chicago area. If you are not in the Chicago area, tune into a service provider that transmits messaging for your area. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Civil Defense. National Command Authority, Washington, D.C. The following message is transmitted at the request of the White House. Critical threat alert, a state of national emergency exists. The United States is currently under a coordinated nuclear strike by the combined military forces of France and Iran. North American Aerospace Defense Command, NORAD, has confirmed the launch and tracking of three intercontinental ballistic missiles currently on a terminal trajectory toward the following metropolitan areas: Washington, District of Columbia, Los Angeles, California, St. Louis, Missouri. Immediate action required. This is not a test. Total impact is estimated to occur within 10 to 15 minutes. Seek shelter immediately. If you are in or near these target cities, move to a basement, underground fallout shelter, or the interior-most room of a reinforced concrete building. Do not attempt to travel. Roads will be impassable and exposure risk is absolute. Protect yourself. If caught outdoors, lie flat on the ground, cover your head, and do not look. Prepare for impact. Close all windows, turn off ventilation systems, and gather emergency supplies. Following the detonations, lethal radioactive fallout will be carried downwind. Stay tuned to this frequency for atmospheric tracking and evacuation routes. Local authorities will provide instructions for your specific area as they become available. The President is preparing to address the nation. Do not terminate this broadcast. All civilian communications are now under the direction of the emergency alert system. God help us all. God help us all. You will now be transferred to a live GNN speech by the President Donald Trump speaking on the emergency situation.
Emergency here at GNN. France and Iran have launched 3 nuclear missiles to D.C., California and St. Louis, Missouri. We are all fucked. We should have never done that Haiti shit. We now go to a live speech by Donald Trump on this situation.
They've did it. Oh my God, I am so mad right now. They have actually fucking done it. Don't worry, we will be fine. Fuck these Iranian and French pussies. We are so much better and we did what we had to do. It is 1:15 a.m. right now. I am sleepy as fuck. but we are currently facing a missile threat. A missile threat? Really? Get the fuck out of here. I literally have the power to decimate those fucking missiles, and I will do that in 15 minutes. But even if they did bomb us, I would just hide in a bunker and let all the Americans die. Fuck Iran, fuck France, and fuck everyone else who doesn't like us. I'm surprised that you had the balls, though, to even try.